Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about AGON by AOC 27G2ZN3-BK 27-inch 280Hz monitor. So friend, AGON by AOC is introduced AOC Gaming 27G2ZN3-BK, a vanguard monitor that combines esport level performance with unprecedented affordability, designed for competitive gamers who demand the best without breaking the bank. The 27-inch Full HD AOC Gaming 27G2ZN3 PK features an astonishing 280Hz refresh rate, very low input lag, fast response time up to 1 millisecond G2G, and 0.5 millisecond MPRT, adaptive sync for BRR synchronization, and high contrast fast VA panel, setting a new standard for accessible competitive gaming sessions. And AOC Gaming 27G2ZN3-BK combines the advantage of many technologies. Thanks to its vivid, contrast-rich fast VA panel, the color reproduction is lifelike, enabling gamers to enjoy story-driven action games with deep black levels and white color gamut and friend for fast-paced competitive games. It 280Hz refresh rate and low input lag means that the game world is tightly connected to their user, and by utilizing MBR setting, the monitor achieves 0.5 millisecond MPRT and significantly improving motion clarity with backlight strobing and friend. The monitor features two HDMI 2.0 port, one DisplayPort 1.4, providing ample connectivity options, and friend, it is designed to seamlessly integrate with both PC and console gaming, with support for a 120Hz refresh rate at 1080p resolution on consoles, and gamers can fluid and responsive gameplay across all their favorite devices. And friend, is available at a price of 189.99 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.